welcome back to another video, and let's chill for a minute. You're gonna want to stay tuned for this. Really easy and beginner friendly, so for all my beginner babies, let's go. So we'll be doing polygel and gel polish. Super easy. So let's get into this video. I did the tips before and I know I'm just trimming them up. This client was my elder sister and she wanted them super short. I was like, girl, are you sure? She was like, girl, I'm sure. I need it super short. I'm like, okay, let's go. Pause. Can somebody tell me why this girl have me doing C cuts, then to tell me to file them down to a flat cut? She don't want no C in the short set. Like, girl, what are you? Anyways, I love her so much, so I won't be roasting her. No, not just yet. And before you start typing, no, that's not a fungus on her nail. So keep your opinion to yourself. So after cutting, I'll be filing and making sure all the nails are even and ready for application. In with my e-file on a low to kind of just blend out the natural nail with the tips. Remember to be super careful. Do not leave the e-file at one place at all. Keep it moving gently on the surface of the nail. Then I go in with alcohol and I clean off all of that dust. Dehydrated, and then I went in with my protein bond, my olive primer, and my foundation base. And it was time to start applying the polygel. You need the details of the products that I use. Let me know down in the comments so I can leave you a link. Be very light-handed, especially if your polygel is more on the runnier side. Yes, you don't want to pull the brush and pull off all that product. So you're gonna want to just hop and pull very gently until you get a smooth application. tip, remember gel tends to move around and melt, so be sure to flash cure between 1 to 2 nails to make sure that you're saving your progress, literally. Just love doing a thumbnail. I feel like it's super satisfying. Any other nail tech can agree? Please let me know in the comments. A thumbnail is just tea every single time. Remember, polygel is really sticky, so you're gonna want to rub that off with some alcohol. I'll be buffing, even though this is not mandatory, with gel nails. It's time to seal up those cuticles with some acetone. No lifting around here. No, I really don't see the point in adding this foundation base at this point, so you can skip that and just go into polishing your nails. Today we'll be doing a black set. And listen, the girl is been up underneath my skin about this black polish. I don't know what trend is this, but I love it. It was really cute. I had clients back to back that was getting full black, and that just made me feel so happy seeing them fall for these black sets. And I'm like, look at these little baddies. But it was really fun and definitely out of my comfort zone, because I never did no black gel polish over here. No ma'am. But I definitely love to do a lot more of these. Yeah, and another thing I want to try is the black Frenchies. Listen, this is some sharp V-cut Frenchies in full black. They look so tea. Okay, so can we have a conversation? I want to see all of my ladies and even the males that are watching this video. I want to see you all win in this season. I need us all to win. I need people to be serious. I need people to lock in, to be focused. I need more people to believe in themselves, because listen, anything in this world that you want, you can achieve it. But the first thing is that you have to believe, and you have to have faith, and you have to know that all good things come from the Almighty God. So just start there. Start having more faith, start believing in yourself, and just start changing up your mindset and see how much that can do. See how further you can go. I could speak and go on and on about my life and how much things has changed for me since I started taking my God seriously, since I started believing more, lifting my faith. But honestly, I just want to tell someone else. I just really want to tell someone else about the glory of God. And listen, you won't regret it. You won't regret it at all. And I do believe everyone can win in this season, and I love that for you. In 2 Corinthians 8 verse 9, it states that Jesus endured our poverty that we might share his abundance. No, that is a loving God, a God of mercy and compassion, a God of grace. Oh, glorious God. That sounds like a God that already paid the price for us and wants us to have abundance now. And so I don't know about y'all, but luck is not my portion this season, and I decree and declare my portion is all that the Lord has in store for me this season. You can do this. You got this, sis. You got this, bro. I gave it a little file again before top coating, and these are the final results. I also posted another picture of another black set that I love so much. I love y'all. Until next time, bye.